Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to swap coins on Trust Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up Trust Wallet app or desktop extension. You can follow both of these since the layout is pretty much same. So then once you are in your Trust Wallet account, you will see all the coins that you own. So if you want to convert any coin, then tap on it. Then what you can do is click on this swap right here. Then choose the correct network that you have your cryptocurrency on. So you can see this right here. For example, this USDT is on the BNB Smart Chain network. So when I am in swap right here, I want to select the BNB Smart Chain network. So then here select the coin you want to swap. For me, it is already set to the correct one. And then you can select the second one here. You can also pick a network. I will keep it BNB Smart Chain. For the token, just go and search for the token you would like. For example, AVAX, and then I will select Avalanche. Now choose how much you would like to swap. Click on Max, or if you want, swap all of your coins. Now, if you are using the BNB Smart Chain network, you will need to have some gas fee in BNB. This does not need to be a lot. It can just be a little bit of amount in your Trust Wallet account. After that, you can click on Confirm, and then the swap will be made. As I don't have any amount, that's why it is showing insufficient balance here. But if you have some amount, it will show here Confirm. Just tap on it, and you are done. So that's basically how you can swap coins on Trust Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.